Alright, that's the room tour of 7300, the Grand Suite on the Carnival Magic. Look at that, door opens by itself. So, coming in, instantly, we go right to the closets, because that's Liz's favorite. So, this is the hanging side. And got plenty amount of hangers here. Then we have the shelf side. And light kicks on all by itself. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves. If you're looking for your life vest, they are here. And then we have the door that shows where you are. This one has muster station B3, which is right in the restaurant. And then come over to the bar area, if you will. So we did get a bottle delivered. So Liz got the vodka, I got the rum. And here's your outlets. You got 1 European, and you have 2 domestics. And this little guy in the middle dims the light here. Then of course you have your phone, and you got down here the mini fridge. So welcome to your mini bar. As you can see, Liz has her vodka accoutrements there. And of course you got your desk in a drawer. You got all your stuff there, your laundry bags, because you're in a suite. So yeah, you get free laundry in a suite. You got the cool little floor and Liz's feet. So this is the entryway here. Kind of looks like wood. And of course your mirror there. There's me. There's Liz. And we have some artwork. And then this lovely little couch, which also folds out to a bed. So again, this is a grand suite, so it is a very good sized room. And you got a lamp over here. And it has 2 USBs on there. And then there's the balcony. We'll get to that in a minute. I'm going to swing around to the TV, which leaves a little bit to be desired. Not the biggest, but again, we have more storage here. So you got 2.5 shelves, because that's where your safe is. And then we did find a little bonus in this room, which was hidden behind the TV. Another outlet. So they're hard to come by on the ships, so that was pretty cool. And you got 8 more drawers there, and of course we pre-order the water. And there's my nuts, the coconuts, sorry. And you got another phone over here, I guess, because they think the room's so big you need 2. And you got, of course, USBs there, and storage there. And same thing on this side. And then we got another closet here. So I believe it's like the other one, where one side is hangies. And if people complain they don't have enough hangers, you brought too many clothes. Then more shelves, a little mini hanger bar, and this one actually does flip up if you need to hang more stuff. And extra bedding as well. And here is the little bonus room, if you will. So you got a little sink. You got more outlets down there. So you have a American and a European. You got 8 drawers. Here is your blow dryer, all nicely tucked away. A little stool as well. And nice granite sinks. And check this out. More storage space and robes, yay! And it actually goes back. So it's a good sized closet. And the other side, which will be shelves. And again, if you do need more hanging space, these flip up all the way down. Now we are gonna go to the bathroom, which is actually quite big. It's a dual sink bathroom. Not sure if they installed the night lights on this one yet. You can see there's a little work done to the floor there. But your standard pooper and a bidet as well, so that's kind of cool. All the towels and your showers. Everything here is Elemis from the spa, and it's actually pretty good size. And the doors are not shower curtains. They're actual doors. Yay! I hate shower curtains. They always stick to you when you're showering. And again, good size bathroom. And now we're gonna go take a look at the balcony. One of my favorite parts. You can hear them doing their announcements. This door does slam, so hopefully everybody else realizes that and holds it. But you got 2 chairs there. And they got a full-size lounge, which actually has a padding on it, which is kind of cool. Haven't seen that. And then you have deck 5, which runs the whole side of the ship to the spa. It's actually really cool. And there is Miami, and there is Miami Beach. So take care.